Hi, so today I'm doing some soldering, so at the same time I can demonstrate the actual usage of the 493A Fume Extractor. So I have my setup here. This is a fume extractor, and I connect the hose out to the window, and from the top, just the exhaust outside to the open. Because I realized that even with the carbon filter, it still has some leakage into from the back of it. So as I mentioned, you have to put it around 10 centimeters from your object to your fan in order for the fan to be effective. So let's just turn it on. Let's just solder without the fan on. So you see it's going everywhere. Oh, it's going everywhere. So now let's turn on the fan. So most of it is being captured. So you have to, because there will be some leakage at the side, so the best thing is to actually put closer. Actually, to increase the suction, you can actually remove it. So observe. This is around 7 centimeters, sorry. So from here, let's see whether there's any leakage from the back. So now, if I want to solder, no, there's no leakage from the back. That's a good sign. Yeah, so this thing works. So, but this obviously this is not like some Hakko sub $500 fume extractor. So you don't want to expect too much from this sort of setup with this price when it's odd dollars, Singapore dollars.